I can't believe Mum grounded me after dinner when I cried wolf to her. There wasn't really a wolf around here, I was just playing a practical joke on her. I guess I'll just do it again a few times, so she won't think that I'm lying to her. Ellen, I'm not gonna follow for you on crying wolf again, after you were grounded for a week. Wolf, 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 wolf. Ellen, did you hear my warning? No, Mum. I thought you did. I heard you cry wolf again 4 more times after you were grounded for a week after dinner. Stop it. Mum, there wasn't really a wolf around here. I'm just playing a practical trick on you for fun, not telling a lie about it. Do you honestly expect me to believe that? Sounds like it, but you were playing a trick with a lie. That's really naughty and you know it. If you don't learn your lesson, you'll be grounded for another week. Am I clear? Yes. Ellen, what would you like for dessert? Wolf. That's it. Ellen, get in the kitchen, right now. I'm sick and tired of you crying wolf all day today, and there is no wolf. This lying trick of yours needs to stop, right now. By the way, turn around. Why? You'll see. Ow. That hurt, Mum. You jolly well deserved it. I smacked your bum for teaching you a lesson about not crying wolf again. You are grounded for now 2 weeks, and 1 week with no dessert. Back to your room, go to bed, and stay there until tomorrow. Naughty girl. That girl needs to learn that playing a trick with a lie is wrong.